Okay, so for those of you who are members at any level, you have access to a national real estate mastermind class. The cool thing about this is it's done for you content. And what is this designed to do? This is designed to help you just have more conversations. We know that what holds a lot of us back is not afraid to make the call, but what am I saying? What value am I bringing? Am I saying the same thing every time? So this is designed to help you have something to offer. The third, typically Tuesday now, we've changed it from Thursday to Tuesday of every month, we do this national real estate mastermind. We call it Agent Animals within the coaching or the mastermind. It's under the Realtor Toolkit tab. If you don't have a custom link, go and request it if you're a member, because you have access to this, every single one of you. And the cool thing about this too is there is a whole marketing plan that goes with it. So we tell you what to do week 1 of every month. We tell you who should I be calling and using this for. I personally think this is a great tool for those agents who maybe aren't qualified. So we don't want to spend a ton of time calling, chasing, meeting, all those things, but we can stay in front of them and add value. The other cool part of this is when someone uses your custom link to register for this National Real Estate Mastermind class, you'll get an email letting you know. So you know who's showing up, you know who's registering. And if you follow, Carl did a whole, and I don't know if you were there, Jimmy, or not, but on April 9th, under the Complete Loan Officer class replays, Carl did a 1-hour coaching call where he literally laid out soup to nuts. How do I use this tool I have access to? Who am I calling? What am I saying? So if you need a little bit more, go there. But what Jonas and Jimmy are going to talk to us about today is this very next class, how kind of this all got started and what kind of content can we expect on these classes?
You were talking about the old way, and I remember how this started, Jimmy. I had one of your employees who's my student who was working on another county. She was literally working on finding agents from the county next to her. And I personally was building my second office. We have one office on one side of Washington State and one office on the other, 400 miles away. And I called you and I said, Jimmy, how the heck do I teach your person to work in a county 45 miles away? And how do I help myself expand to what I should be, an agent in the state of Washington? And you told me, you said, Jonas, have you ever done the monthly lunch and learns like I do? And I said, a little bit. And you said, join me and try to invite agents from outside your market. Well, Jim, we actually caught the number one agent up here in the Whidbey Island market. Guys, that's 400 miles away. And he started attending these masterminds that you and I put on. We have closed with this gentleman 19 loans since we started this. And remember, guys, that's an average home price of $800,000 a unit up here in this county. My normal county, we're only $300,000 a unit. So my weekly thing, and number one, Rebecca and the mastermind folks make this so easy for you. They send step-by-step instructions and all of the marketing information to send this out. Jim had me go and get my county's email addresses of realtors and 2 counties by me. And I always fought back with Jim, why would I want to go outside of my county? Guys, I'm not going to be able to see him. And Jimmy just kept going, Jonas, watch. And as we started inviting and as the people started getting and as people started attending, I started getting leads from other places. I didn't even know where they were coming from. I didn't know the folks till Rebecca told me, Jonas, that person attended your mastermind. I didn't even know I invited them, guys, because I'm working off the realtor list that I got from your local association of realtors. Guys, Jimmy told me to go to your local association of realtors and ask for the email list. It was that easy. So I have my county, the 2 counties over, and then the county my other office is. And I send out once a month exactly when Rebecca tells me to. So it's not something that it's not something that I have to think about. Rebecca tells me when to do it.
Yeah, it's so cool because it's a, we've often talked about this. We're making our calls, we're calling agents we want to do business with, and we're going for an appointment. But one of the other things that we've always said is you go for the appointment or invite them to an event, right? So it's kind of an and/or sort of thing. And what's nice is through our program is there's an event every month. So you've always got the event on tap, right? So you can always do your inviting. The other thing too is Jonas was talking about getting a list from local association of realtors. Well, if you got Model Match, you can just go in there and download lists like crazy of agents. And Model Match is going to be on when, Jen? We've got
2:00 dialed in for a member.
Today.
Yep.
So Model Match, super cool, super affordable way to get lists galore. You can put, I only want realtors with this production in this area or whatever. You get the list, you download it, you got it. Now you can invite to the event, right? Get the notification that who registered, whatever. Now you got a list of people to follow up with before and after the event to get business. I just think it's a really well put together package, right? Where you don't have to think about this. You just deploy it. That's the beautiful thing. You just deploy. It's all there, all the marketing materials, everything. I'm not trying to make this a big pitch for it or anything like that, but I just got to say, let's just think about it. Let's just think about it a second. This is pretty awesome, right? To be able to do this. Jonas is here, very highly successful originator and coach.
If you do this, this covers 2 of your calls to your agents.
100%.
Right? You call
100%.
to invite them, and then you call to say, hey, were you able to make it? And if they weren't, then you set up a time, you send them the replay.
And then a third,
no-brainer.
Jen, because Rebecca's sending us your follow-up sheet. When the people register, you get their name and phone number so you know that they came. That's my best part, is I'm terrible at the follow-up, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, so you get a follow-up sheet too?
Yes, sir.
Dang.
I was thinking about this, right? So if you had the opportunity to have like an hour-long free class with a loan officer who did 40 transactions, right? 40 buy sides, isn't that what she did?
She did 40 sides, 21 buy sides.
I mean, that's kind of a no-brainer, right? What real estate agent is going to say, no, I don't want to learn from somebody like that?
Right.
Mm-hmm.
It's just a cool offer to make. And I love Jonas's idea here where you turn it into a lunch and learn, but you don't have to create the content and you don't have to teach it. You can just sit there and smile and eat and have a conversation. And that's great. I love that. That way of doing it.
So, I mean, to me, it's like, it's a layup. It's there. All the marketing's provided. The plan is provided. You invite, you follow, you even get the list of the people that registered to follow up with, right? You can lead a horse to water. You know what I mean? It's one of those things for me. It's like, here's something served up on a silver platter. It's up to you to put a fork in it and eat it. That's the way it is here. So if, we got to get going here. So again, I know we didn't see a lot of people say interested. I'm shocked at that. But if you're interested in just learning more, maybe we can get you in. If you'd like to see if you can get in on this thing, just put interested in the chat and, we'll try to help you out, man. I mean, this is a big deal and it goes on every single month. Why would we not do this every single month? I mean, it just depends. If you want more realtor business, this is a great way to get it, right? So it's a great way to get it. If you want more realtor business, how would all teed up for you on a silver platter? Just do what it says, follow up, make your calls, get business in the door. That's what it is. So anyways, let's see. Tomorrow we're going to have Robin Lavasio on, so that'll always be fun. Hey, thanks for checking out the highlights of today's Loan Officer Breakfast Club live call. Remember, you can join us live every day, 8:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday at breakfastclubzoom.com. If you'd like to see full replays, you can get those by becoming a member over at Mortgage Marketing Animals Next Level. If you want to learn more, go to MMAnextlevel.com. And thanks for joining us here at the Loan Officer Breakfast Club website. For that, we'd like to give you a free gift. If you just scroll down to the bottom of the page, we always have a giveaway for you, something really cool. With that, you have a great one. We'll catch you on the live call. See you then.